So again, it could be something related to your heart, related to your love and relationship area, or it is a choice between two people, or it is a choice between this energy of should I go ahead with this person or this situation, or just should I move on from them. So it is related to something related to your heart, something related to your happiness. There is a chance of a brand new beginning in that direction, but because you have been through so much, you are going to take a step back. You are going to be very courageous in this energy of, okay, I have to take a step back. I have to analyze whether I want to be with this energy or not, whether I want to go ahead in this direction or not. So you are going to be internally in a conflicted kind of energy of what should I do in that direction, but outwards it's going to be process like you are being very courageous, you are being standing in your power, and you're going to take the charge of the situation. Be like, okay, until unless I'm 100% sure, I'm not going to do anything about it. That is the energy I'm picking for you guys, Sagis. So there will be a little bit internal turmoil, but you are going to be in this energy of passing the test, because you're not going to go for the dark pit again. You are going to be like, I have gone through this shit in the past as well, now I'm not going to repeat the same cycle again, no matter what. Right? That's really cool. Really cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys in the situation, Sagis. We have the 5 of Wands in reverse, the 10 of Pentacles, the 6 of Pentacles. Yeah. Finding your inner balance is very, very important for you guys, Sagittarius. These are 2 cards actually. Yeah. 6 of Pentacles is like 8 of Pentacles behind that. So finding your inner balance is very, very important in order to create this 10 of Pentacles that you are trying to manifest in your reality right now. But there's a lot of chaos. Although you are coming out of the conflict, you are coming out of the chaos slowly but surely. Still, there is a background noise that keeps on coming back to you and keeps on pulling you back in that dark place that you're coming out of. Just make sure you're not going to go back to the dark place, no matter how hard it is for you to balance the current reality of your life, to balance the internal peace. Right now it's difficult for you. You are falling back again and again in the same kind of darkness that you're leaving behind, but at the same time you have the inner knowing that it's not going to do you any good. So you are just in this energy of going on and breaking that barrier. Really very, very cool readings, Sagis. So yeah, I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.